Binance P2P, what is it and how it works? This is exactly what we're going to discuss on this video. You are welcome on Debatong Media. I'm your guy Debatong, and as I mentioned today, I want to share with you what Binance P2P is all about, how it works, and how you can even get started with it. What are the advantages of Binance P2P platform? So if say you love such content, then you want to smash the subscribe button right now. In the future, I'm going to be creating more content about Binance, how you can make money with the Binance platform, and not only that, how you can make passive income with cryptocurrency and also share different crypto projects. So really, you want to subscribe if say you love to make money with cryptocurrency, or you want to learn how to make money with cryptocurrency. So having said that, let's dive right away so we can digest what Binance P2P is all about and how you can get started with it. And if say this is your first time to know about the Binance platform and you want to join Binance, go to the description of this video. There you're going to find my link where you can subscribe to Binance and we both get bonuses. This is awesome to see that they give bonuses to both of us if say we join Binance platform. Look at it this way. You want to buy cryptocurrency. You are in Nigeria, or you are in France, you are in Germany, wherever you are, you want to buy cryptocurrency. When you hear the word P2P, it means peer-to-peer or person-to-person. In Binance P2P, you are buying cryptocurrency from someone else out there, and Binance is the one that ensures security of the transaction. So Binance provides a platform for you guys to trade on, both buyers and sellers. So let's say you want to buy Bitcoin, like you are in Finland, you want to buy Bitcoin from someone else who is in Nigeria or France. All you need to do is go to the Binance platform. You're going to see all the merchants that are selling. Same with, if say you want to sell, you're going to see all the merchants who are selling, so where you can buy from. And if say you want to become a Binance merchant, that is going to be another video. So you want to subscribe to this platform, as I mentioned. If say you want to get more knowledge about Binance. Now, let's say you want to buy cryptocurrency, right? You come here, you see all this, all the merchants who are selling cryptocurrency. For in this case is USDT. You see all of them and the payment method, what they have. So you're going to select what kind of payment method based on where you are to start buying and trading cryptocurrency. I'm going to do a separate video to detailedly show you how this process works by doing it myself. I've been doing this for a while now. This is really cool to see that you can buy cryptocurrency from someone else somewhere that you don't know. All you need to do is to trust Binance and follow the rules that Binance have set in place for you to start trading P2P. Now, looking at how it works, right? Place an order. Once you place a P2P order, the crypto asset will be escrowed by Binance P2P. That means it will be held. Binance is going to hold this cryptocurrency, and this will enable the seller to, confirm that, okay, I have received money from the buyer. Once this is confirmed, Binance will release the monies. So that's what makes Binance P2P safe. Binance ensures that the transaction goes smoothly. Advantages of P2P exchange. We can see here that there's low fee, like you pay really low fee when you use the P2P transaction system. The payment is flexible. You can choose whatever method you want to pay. So many methods that you can find here to make payment based on that. And when you click it, you're going to see those who offer all the services based on what you have available. Now, when you come down here, you see that there are so many stuff that when it comes to this, trade at your own preferred price. You trade at the price that you want, favorable for you. And with Binance P2P trading, you can see here that your privacy is protected. The person whom you are selling to or buying from doesn't have to know who you are. All they do need to know is how much you want to buy and how much they want to give to you in terms of the coins that you are buying. So to an extent, I think Binance P2P exchange is really cool for anyone out there who want to start making money or transacting with the Binance platform. The fees are cheap. You have flexible payment method, trade at your own preferred prices, and you are secured based on privacy. So this is really cool to see that everything here is planned by the Binance team to really make sure you have the maximum security or you have a good customer relationship experience. This is cool. And guys, everything I show you here, you can start doing this. If say you really want to begin with the Binance P2P trading and to make money with it, then subscribe to my platform. Go to the description of this video, get my referral link, subscribe to Binance, and we both get bonuses. This is cool, guys. when you use my referral link, we both get bonuses. Let me show you what I mean to say, when it comes to you using my referral link. Let's say, for example, you come here and you want to use my referral link. This is the kind of bonus we're going to use. So let's go to Binance referral system so you can see what I'm talking about. Let's see referral. Okay, referral, yeah. So when you use my referral link, you are going to earn something from that. Share your referral link with friends, invite friends to sign up and deposit more than $50, receive 100 USDT cash voucher each. So when you use my link to register, you're gonna get all the benefits. You're gonna get almost up to 1,000 cashback voucher, and you're gonna get to awesome reward. All you need to do right now, if you say you wanna get this bonuses, then you want to go right now to the description of this video. You're gonna see this link here, then subscribe to Binance, and this is going to be a way also for you to support my channel and appreciate this content if you say you saw value in it in the first place. So this is it, guys. Now you know what Binance P2P trading is all about and how you can get started with it. Trust me, this is really cool. You can make so much money every day by doing this, because investors come to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and they don't want to do it with their banks, so they want to trade directly with people who have this cryptocurrency so that they can buy at a cheaper price. When they go to exchanges to buy directly from exchanges, the price there is so expensive, so they prefer to get the cryptos at cheaper price. So that's why you see this platform is really cool for you to start. And how secure it is based on the fact that Binance have put out measures to secure both the seller and the buyer. So you want to get started right now with Binance P2P. As I mentioned, I'm going to create more videos to educate you on how this works. Not only that, I'm going to create other videos that will educate you on how you can make passive income with cryptocurrency. Binance alone have so many ways that you can make passive income with cryptocurrency. So you want to subscribe, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, guys. So if say you think this content was helpful to you and you want me to create more of such content, then you know what to do. You subscribe right now, thumbs up, and you share this content with someone else out there. Until then, see you in the next video when you subscribe. Bye-bye.